with Ytria right at the beginning, and we started using scanEZ, and it was having quite an impact on our ability to make sure our data was correct, and particularly with developers sometimes making mistakes and locking themselves out of the systems and all that type of stuff. scanEZ just made things so much easier to correct, and when developers had left us or mistakes had been made, still be able to use the data. It was really good.
Being able to, find missing documents in the address book, that kind of stuff. It saves hours, though. That's the biggest thing, is the amount of time it saves versus the way we used to do it, which is, scripting little pieces of code that, would take you hours to put together and then run.
Finding out what the difference between two things are and why one's doing one and one's not the other. And also printing out the contents of a profile document.
Oh, right. Okay.
To look at later or to throw into a spreadsheet or something.
scanEZ is the one that scanEZ has had major impact on our ability to deliver the databases in a safe method.
Use scanEZ.
Oh, yeah?
Very helpful with the calendar profile issues.
Right. Okay.
Used there a lot to delete stuff, and without having to nuke the whole profile, you can just go in selectively clear up things.
I've used ViewEZ, but mostly scanEZ. Every day is scanEZ, and the other ones once a week, once a month.
To look at profile documents.
Profile documents.
Profile documents.
Okay.
And then modifying fields in profile documents in an application I do not know about. Like I'm an administrator type of guy most of the time. And I have an application and it needs to be migrated to another server. I look at the profile documents and I don't want to understand how it actually works. The application, I just grab it up and look what's there. Also the quite not really often but very useful to use is the document auditor, replication auditor to see where the documented come from.
Yeah, a little bit in the address book, looking for especially imported contacts from a personal that are now mixed in with the business contacts, and it helps you can straighten out all the fields so that they all match and they all show up properly and things like that. So that's been proved very helpful there too.
I've updated a bunch of fields in about 300 documents without writing an agent. I just opened scanEZ, selected the docs, and updated it. Took me a minute.
Yeah, last thing I used actually was searching for field names.
Yeah.
Of specially formatted field names inside the design documents. So inside the design documents collection, did a custom search using the regular expressions, and fired that up and had a list of design documents that used that.